Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, you got your tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black platformed gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera with spotlights, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do get a nice black hood deflector with front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior. You got rear vents, cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. You got your auto stop auto start lights, spotlights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 32.6 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. You got your speeds. It is collapsible storage, cup holders, storage here with some outlets. Got your center console here with even more storage underneath. Rear locking diff, drive modes, and four-wheel drive. Trailer brake, pro trailer assist with your engine start stop. Heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Storage above and below. Storage right here. And we got a nice powered rear window opener. Taking a look at our screen here, we have our park sensing, which is mostly just your park assist with your park sensing, my bad. We do get a 360 view of your vehicle as well, which is pretty handy. You can change the camera angles, hazards, and traction. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi, hotspot, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB02377, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.